Hey, how many calf muscles are there?
I don't even know what that means.
Okay, there's 2 of them. I don't have time for your answers. Here's how to stretch both of them. Ty, which Achilles do you tweak?
Left.
Left one. So let's get that left one up there. Now, when your heel's down and maybe your foot's up on a step, straighten this knee out. Now, push those hips forward, tie into that thing till you feel my calf. You getting it right there?
Yeah.
That's stretching your gastrocnemius. All right, that's the first one. Hold that in there. Right, the Achilles. Now, give the camera a little arch, Ty, like we've been working on. Yeah, right. That'll center it on that Achilles. That's part 1. Here's how to stretch the second one. We didn't practice this one, so let's do this one. You ready, Ty? Get that left foot forward in a lunge position. Take your back knee to the ground. Now, all the way down to the ground. Now send this knee over, keep the heel down. This is stretching your soleus. Keep going. You want to pull this knee forward a little bit right there. Pull that knee forward a little bit. There you go. Now, to get a little more, grab that kettlebell. Keep that heel on the ground. Show that camera a little arch, will you? Show them some arch. Get that arch up. Heel down though. Yeah, right there. There it is right there. Bam, soleus. So if you tweak your Achilles or want to stretch your calf, that's both of them for you, Ty. This is a hard working boy right here. Hard working. How hard do you work? Fix your shit.
Only you can. MoveU!